Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ninja Speedi chicken wings. These can be made from frozen, which is what I'm going to focus on today, and they can also be made in your air fryer or your Ninja Foodi. You will need the air fryer or air crisp function. So that is the only thing you'll need for these, so you can definitely make them in any air fryer. You'll need 2 pounds of frozen chicken wings, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of lemon pepper. Remember, we're doing these from frozen. If yours are already defrosted, then just skip the first step where I'm showing you how to defrost them in the air fryer. So you'll need the lemon pepper, and then you'll also need a teaspoon of ranch seasoning, salt, and then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So these are going to be all your seasonings that we're going to use to season the wings after we have defrosted them. So the first thing you'll do is get your air fryer basket ready for your Ninja Speedi or your air fryer. I've got the crisper tray in the lowest position there. And then I'm going to place these wings in the basket. But first you're going to preheat it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Then you'll go ahead and place the wings in the basket and air fry them for 10 minutes. Once they're done, take them out of the basket and place them in a large bowl. And then if you have any water in your Speedi basket or your air fryer basket, carefully go ahead and pour that out. So now that I've got my wings in a bowl, I'm going to add olive oil. You can also do grapeseed oil if you prefer. And I'm going to coat the wings, and I'm going to sprinkle them with all of the seasonings and the cornstarch. Now, it's easiest to use 2 spoons or forks because you've got hot wings. They're going to be hot from coming out of the air fryer or the Ninja Speedi. So now I've got them back in my Speedi, same position in the basket. I'm going to place them in there, and I'm going to cook them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. And then I'm going to flip those over and do 6 to 7 minutes more until they reach the internal temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit. So we like them to get up to at least 175 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you can go ahead and carefully remove them and serve them. We like to serve them with ranch dipping sauce. It's totally up to you what sauces you want to serve them with. But these come out really crispy and delicious, and they're super easy to make in your Ninja Speedi or your air fryer or your Ninja Foodi. So you have a wide variety of options of what machine you can use to make these. But this is how you make Ninja Speedi chicken wings, and you can find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so you do not miss the next video. Thanks for tuning in today.